Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Mingatao. Today's video is going to be my little niece does my makeup. And what is your name?
My name's Tatiana.
Yes, and she's my little niece, so she's going to do my makeup today, and she's going to transform me into Trina. So let's get into the video. Okay, everything is laid out in front of her, so yeah.
What should I use first?
Oh, I need moisturizer. Open it.
So you...
Also, there is no mirrors. I turned all the mirrors away from me, so yeah. Chanel's playing back there with her big Easter bed.
So do you just use this first?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you do?
You gotta do it. You're the makeup artist today.
So I just spray it on your face?
Yep. You have to go faster.
Sorry, I never did this before.
Are you gonna make me pretty?
Yes.
Okay, now you gotta try my face.
Okay, what?
This or this?
You just use this. So what do you do?
Close my eyes and spray it on my face.
I'm so scared. What's that in your face? Ooh, what should we do next?
Foundation.
Because it's a foundation.
Yep, you can use that. This color, this color, this color. You gotta match my skin color.
I'll just do this color.
Careful.
I see my mom do this, but I never see me do this. So,
Pump it on there.
a lot?
I don't know. You're the makeup artist.
Yeah. We'll just do 2 dots.
Okay.
And now what?
Put it over my face, remember?
Hey. But I'm really bad, so it's not my fault. Stuff?
That's a lot of foundation, girl.
No.
I only use 2 pumps. That's like what? 4? Now you have to use concealer.
What's the color? Whatever it's called.
This or these?
So,
For under my eyes.
So what do you do?
Put it under my eyes. Not inside of my eyes.
By the white people and everything.
Don't block the camera.
Sorry. Just close your eyes for safety. Okay, that should be good.
Okay, now you have to powder me.
Powder with what?
Don't blow it, because you're gonna get it everywhere.
For where?
Put it all over my face. You said it.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna do eyeshadow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 eyeshadow palettes.
Where's the eyeshadow?
This, and this.
Or just like a fancy artist. Hold it like this, and then you use your brush, and then you can choose the color. What color should I use though? Let's blow it. This. Yeah, wait.
Eyeshadow. Camera's rolling. That's it?
What's this?
A contour.
What is that?
To go on the cheek. This.
We use a big brush. So, now.
You gotta make me look skinnier. Draw things right here.
Yes, it looks even.
Okay.
Are you relaxing your cheeks?
Yes, I am. Okay, now blush. You could just be this way.
Blush. What's a blush? Blush.
This one.
Use this one. Small brushes are. Whoa.
On the apples of the cheeks.
I think hard candy. Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Now what?
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner?
I trust you on this one. Careful, it's liquid.
Got some dots right there.
Whoa!
Oh my god. I'm sorry. My hands are really shaky. There we go. I messed up on that eye. Kids, do not try this at home.
You have to do my eyebrows.
Yes, eyebrows.
I feel pretty.
Sorry, you really can't see it.
Okay. I'll hold it.
So do you just grab it
Yes.
and then just...
Put on the strip. Nope. Do you need more?
Oh no!
Okay, now you could pop it onto my lashes. Okay.
How do you do this?
Just pop it on.
I
Okay.
need that thingy.
This. Here.
This.
Hold this.
Ooh.
I'm gonna do this without a mirror.
Good luck, child Brian. Why did I say that?
I've done this before.
Yes.
Without
so did
a
I.
mirror.
But a fake eyelash. Oh, so that's how you put it on.
Where's the tweezer?
Yeah.
I think it's on the last one. Mhm.
Your eyelash is kind of messed up there. Not there. Here.
Careful!
My bad. Is it lip gloss? Yes, it is. By the way, I'm gonna go with lip gloss.
You're good at it? Okay. I trust you. Make me look pretty, okay? Why do you do that? Why do you blow your mouth? There. Yeah, now my turban. You know how to do my hair thingy?
See, what's your turn?
Right here.
I'll do the first step. I'll tie it for you and then you just do the big bun thingy. Tie it and then do the big button. Here. Oh, sorry. Here. Yeah, you gotta do something. Hurry, time is ticking. And here's Bobby Bun. Big button. No!
Am I pretty? Is it Trina approved?
The little power here.
Oh, you have to dust it off.
This. Finish.
This is the finished look. Am I pretty? Can I reveal myself now?
Here, let me light. Close your
Close
eyes.
my eyes.
Open.
Go to the side. 1, 2, 3. I gotta say you did pretty good.
You got some lipstick on your teeth.
You did pretty good.
Yes,
No,
I'm not gonna put some lipstick.
seriously, you did pretty good. Just that you need to work on the No, you can have a makeup on right now. Just that, you know, the lashes.
No, you did the lashes, not me.
Well, you need to learn.
Yes.
Not yet. We gotta take a thumbnail. But yes, this is all for this makeup look. If you want to achieve this, just contact Tatiana Tao and she'll beat your face to the gods. Okay.
Yes.
So, like this video if you want to see more videos of me and her together. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.